Hey everyone, it's Heather with PlantText, the ultimate online PlantUML editor, here to walk you through using autocomplete and snippets to make life a little easier. Let's take a look. Okay, here we are in PlantText. I have my default diagram open, which at the moment is just a sample class diagram, which you can find in our samples. If you click on the little settings icon, you can see live auto completion is turned on for you automatically by default. So it is ready to start using as soon as you open PlantText. Autocomplete is one of those great features that if you're not already using it, you're going to wonder how in the world you got along without it. As soon as you start typing in the editor, PlantText is going to make suggestions of words that match the text that's already been typed before. And you can select your option either by using your mouse or by using the arrow keys and tab. And I am going to add a new class called Mansion that is going to inherit from our dwelling. And I hardly had to type any of those words. And then let's see what we got. Bam, there's our class. All right. That was so easy. And you know, what's great about this is not just the time savings, it also helps reduce errors. So snippets are another awesome time saver in PlantText. To use them, we'll need to be logged in. A snippet is a pre-built block of syntax that represents a commonly used structure. They make it easy to insert a chunk of PlantUML into your diagram. To use snippets, you'll need to select what kind over in Settings. Since we're working on a class diagram, we'll select Class, but you can see we also have snippets for activity, component, and use case diagrams, and our intention is to grow this list of snippets over time. Now that class snippets are active, let's start using them. To do that, all we need to do is type the snippet prefix, CLA, and that will bring up the list of all the available snippets, which, as you can see, is quite extensive. And as we scroll through them, we are getting a preview of what each snippet contains off to the right. So I'm going to select the large class snippet, and you can see the class name is highlighted for us. Snippets come equipped with hotspots that help you tab through them very quickly. So I'm just going to type the name of my snippet. The name of my class, Mansion. We're going to add a new public property to Mansion, which is room count. And again, I'm just hitting tab, and it's taking me through from one item to the next. We'll also add a new method called summon butler, which has a return type of void. Both the new property and method are public. That's indicated by this little plus, and we can change that if we want, but I think that will be fine for now. We're going to hit refresh, and now we can see our new class with its public property and method, and we had to do almost no typing for that. So very cool. You know, there are a lot of snippets in here in PlantText, and it's really worth exploring to see what all you can find to leverage and save yourself time. So that's an overview of how to use autocomplete and snippets in PlantText. Both of these features are great time savers, and they're also great for folks who are newer to PlantUML and trying to get that syntax under their belts. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and head on over to planttext.com to start creating your diagrams today.